I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you are looking to transfer money from Payoneer to Klarna, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into Payoneer. Access your Payoneer account by entering your credentials on the Payoneer website or app. Make sure you have sufficient funds available for the transfer. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once logged in, find the withdrawal option in the main menu. This is where you can initiate the transfer to your bank account linked to Klarna. Step 3. Select your bank account. Choose the bank account that is linked to your Klarna account. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you will need to do that first. Step 4. Enter transfer amount. Input the amount you wish to transfer from Payoneer to your bank account. Double check the amount to avoid any mistakes, as this can delay the process. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, transfers may take a few business days to process, so don't worry if you don't see the funds immediately. Good luck with your transfer.